Hello and welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can fix your slow startup in Windows 11. So for that, first you have to right click on here and open Task Manager, or you can simply press Ctrl Shift Escape. So after that, here you will find startup options. From here you have to disable all the unnecessary apps that are consuming your resources. For example, I'm gonna tap this off and I'm gonna turn this off as well, disable it. So after, you have to disable all the unnecessary apps. Like you can see, I have already disabled most of the unnecessary app. So after that you can open the system configuration. You can find system configuration just by simply searching them in here. So in here under services tab, you can disable all the Microsoft Corporation unnecessary programs, or you can just selectively disable some programs that are consuming your data and resources. So after all this, you have to just click on OK, and after that you have to restart your computer, and you will see your computer is now booting up or starting up significantly faster. So that's how you do it. And if you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe. And also thank you very much for watching this video.